Rentvine team, how we doing? How we feeling today? We have another video of Rentvine Academy, and I hope everyone is enjoying the holiday season. But today we are going to be going over reminders in the system. So reminders could be added in multiple different areas in the system. You could add it to any specific portfolios, any type of properties. You could add it at the lease level. You could add it at the work order level for all your work orders that come in, any type of contacts, your owner contact, tenant, vendor contacts, etc. We could add reminders as well. So let's just go into this last property that I viewed. And then let me scroll all the way down because reminders is always going to be at the bottom. You is going to show right here. So if I wanted to add a specific reminder for this property, I could click on that plus sign, add the name of the reminder start date when I want to start, the specific time I wanted to notify me on that specific date. And then I could choose when I wanted to repeat. Hey, repeat once every day, once every week, once every month, etc. Choose the frequency. I could choose the end date if I never wanted to end, if I just want it reoccurring, and then I could go back in and have it end later, or if I wanted to automatically end on a specific date or after a certain amount of occurrences. So after, hey, 2 occurrences, end this reminder. Add the description, and then I could assign it to a specific user. So right here is going to let me know if I want to assign it to a tenant, an applicant, an owner. You can even assign it to like a user. Let's say if this specific user is somebody working within your property management company, I could get it assigned as well. And I can assign it to multiple different users to get this notification. It's just an email notification that gets reminded to them. Also, if you wanted like a global area to view, hey, let me see all my reminders so I could just make sure I'm tracking everything correctly, or I want to manage my reminders all in one area, I could click on my name card, go to my global settings, and then go to under account, go to reminders. And right here, I could view all my reminders here. So I could go ahead and delete this reminder if I wanted to. I could click into this reminder, see what it's attached to. Remember, everything in Rentvine that's blue is clickable. So if I click here, it's going to take me directly to that reminder. If I want to click on the blue actions and edit anything within this reminder or edit the number of assignees, I could do that as well. So this is a lot of property managers, they'll use it for their inspections that they have to do on a specific property. So they're getting reminded, and a few other ways how you could use reminders as well. You could use it for anything you need to be reminded on. And then this reminder area is just how they manage it at a whole global level to make sure everything's organized and they're keeping track of everything. Thank you guys so much. We are always killing the game. If you guys have any questions, please contact support@rentvine.com, and happy holidays.